So I want you guys to step back and clear space here in the middle. David, can you just move down that way a little bit? He's got a little bit of a coil in him, so go a little bit beyond the end of his snout.
There maybe?
So he's probably 39, maybe 40 inches.
Which is 99.
Yeah, he should be.
It's about a meter.
Yeah, about a meter.
Almost a meter long.
Okay.
99 centimeters.
Yeah.
99 centimeters.
Wow. So they get much bigger than this?
Can you sex that?
Yeah, they get a fair bit bigger than
Yeah,
this.
man.
Pull away from glands, yeah, the smell.
So even though they're venomous, they still musk like a garter snake.
Oh, I'll just lay this.
Is it called cube?
I would have gotten a good camera.
See the ridge in the middle of the scales?
That's not a snake.
Yeah.
How does that help it in the water?
It doesn't. I was talking about the tip spines. So their spines are picked up and they flatten themselves dorsolaterally and use their whole body like an oar.
Rectilinear motion.
He's got curves.
Now it's lateral undulation. So he's using that substrate, you know.
Nice
pushing
tongue
on the
flip.
sides.
Yeah, he's checking out the spot there. Thinks that looks pretty good.
See if that's a safe place to go.